This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's take a look also at the gold market. Well guys, on the gold market it's very difficult to add something really new because market still is preparing this extended in time reversal pattern on the daily time frame chart. So you can see that the 2/3 of the pattern was created already. So now we're approaching to the major event, particularly speaking how market will behave with the right shoulder of this potential reversal pattern. So on the previous week we have announced that we be worrying about, concerned about the possible this move down. It has started a bit unexpectedly and suddenly in the middle of this upward action that was not in a row with the development of the normal action when the market is forming the head and shoulders pattern. That's why we have said that if market will pass through this area, that's weekly pivot point stand, and that was also neckline on the 4-hour time frame chart. We said if market will pass through it, that will put under question the overall reversal, and it could lead to the failure of the whole construction here. But looks like market has heard us, and this was really solid rebound to the upside, and market is continuing up. But if we'll take a look at the intraday charts on the 4-hour time frame chart, then probably we will see that that was just the odd to harmony on the market. I will show you it a bit later. Currently on the next week we particularly will be watching for closely. We'll be watching for that resistance area. That will be monthly pivot resistance 1, the theoretical neckline. I have drawn it right by the top of this candle, but of course that will be more in an area than particularly just the point. So somewhere between 1255, probably 1267, that's the area to watch for. The market could stop this potential move up and reach the possible neckline on the head and shoulders. And after that we will be watching for this move down, potential appearing of the right shoulder here. Trend holds bullish, market noted we are bought. So could we trade in the current situation on the lower time frame charts? Well, hardly we could do this to the upside because this is really very not a significant room till the potential target, and to extend the area where we could place the stop. But we probably will be able to make some scalp short position right back down and try with attempt to ride on the potential right shoulder. That probably we could do. And finally, the major object for daily traders and in general in the gold market, it's of course the low of this shoulder, because that will be really promising area where we will be able to place the tight stop, and the risk reward ratio will be tremendous, because potentially if this is really the reversal pattern, we could get this A, B, C bottom pattern, and market could lead us right to the 1360 area. If you have read our weekly analysis, you probably understand what I'm talking about, because the 1360 is the yearly pivot point. Also, that will be the fib resistance on the weekly time frame chart. That is the minor extension on the weekly time frame chart. So that's significant level, and that's not small move till the zero. It's approximately $100 per contract, as we said previously. That could be really tremendous move to the upside. Well, but meantime, still, as market still is on the road to the upside, is on the road to the neckline, we will be watching how the situation will develop, and maybe we will be able to catch the moment for taking the scalp short with this potential move to the downside. On the 4-hour time frame chart, now let's take a look about this retracement, It was a bit unexpected, but if we will take a look at the contracted chart, you will see how harmonic it looks like. So if we will start right from the this middle area, so you can see they are just mirrored to each other. Move to the downside. Here is again upward action, upward action. This retracement is equals to that one, this move. So you can see that this attempt to keep the harmony of the overall action. And if market now will show this move up, this will be tremendously harmonic picture. That's very good on the market from the perspective of the appearing some significant patterns. Well, here, if you will look at the mirror part, you probably could see this some sort of the butterfly or something of that sort. But here, unfortunately, we can't get the butterfly because this top is already greater than this one. This probably could be some upward continuation. Take a look that here the minor 618 extension of that ABC bottom pattern stands around 1255 and very close to the weekly pivot resistance one. So you can see that also will be an agreement on the daily time frame chart, an area between 1250 1255, including weekly pivot resistance one, monthly pivot resistance ones very close to the neckline. That will be also an agreement with the intraday ABC minor extensions 1255 area. Also, guys, if gold market will show some shy bounce in the beginning of the next week, I prefer to see that price holds above the weekly pivot point. In this development, I do not want to see the move below the weekly pivot point and below, even in return right back to this support area, because that will be not quite reasonable for development of the ABCD pattern, since this is already an extension of this leg. That's not the retracement, not some compounding retracement. That's already an extension. And while market hasn't quite completed this extension, it's not reasonable to see the deep retracement, because this will tell us that something is broken. If we will see this really deep retracement right back down, this will tell us that something is wrong with this upward action. I can't exclude that market just will continue to move up without any retracement at all. So that's been said, unfortunately, right at the beginning of the Monday, hardly we could trade something, because, as I said, till the target is very small room, and we will have to place far stop. That will be not attractive for trading right now from these levels, gold market to the upside. But as I said here, we will try to find something maybe somewhere in the beginning of, in the middle of the week. I hope that market will form something. Maybe this will be some kind of the head and shoulders or something of that sort. That will let us to take the position, scalp short position, with anticipating of the appearing of the right shoulder of the pattern on the daily time frame chart.